I want to walk around. Hurry.
I love that for you. Here you go. Come on. Not in there.
Let's go check out those hats. No. Yeah. We don't have rum in our bar.
Malibu.
Look at this guy. Yeehaw!
You have to have some big balls for that.
Yeah. Dude.
Is that another bar?
Yeah. I know I did it.
Yeah, this is my bar.
Third week is this Stagecoach. I'm here with Miami Mike. We actually got a badass spot today.
At least 500 a day.
Let's do it.
At least.
Let's get
fun.
And fun, of course. That's what matters.
Yeah, a lot of older people, I'm happy with that.
Yeah. Here we go, here we go.
I'm on the GoPro.
It's just
Wow, it's pretty packed already. Look at this. What's going on there?
he's probably good. Leaving so early Monday, I would go to the restaurant and try it.
What time is your flight?
I'm the first at 5. I may change it.
Till midnight?
Well, he's at midnight, even if I change it to 10 o'clock. Just so we can hang out.
And then you can do shit during the day.
Well, the car has to go back before 5. Unless her to let me take it to the airport.
What's an expensive
Maybe I'll call them tomorrow.
expensive rental now?
3 weeks up in our master's program for that. I said you won't be here next year.
Oh, if you think your ass to run a food or run a restaurant.
That's why I'm so my ass like the men here are so feminine.
People fear of missing out. I find nothing exciting. I think Tortuga was awesome.
It is pretty good too.
You're so toned down.
Tortuga is good because I think it's on the beach. Bikini, that's all you gotta wear, you know?
Hey, who that nation, baby?
The minute I told my wife she got pregnant though.
There's someone from Montenegro.
Human traffic.
Still have all those people there.
Yeah, we gotta go back.
I don't know. I can't believe they're not busy.
The ice cream? It's not that hot. If it was hotter. Oh yeah, we had a crazy one. She was dancing by herself over there.
To the black guy with that said that black don't crack.